Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's a really exciting day because we're going to be taking the brand new Cub Cadet XT1 46-incher for its first mow. I just got this bad boy and I'm going to share my impressions with you as I take it out for a spin for the very first time. So let's get started. All right, before we start cutting, let's go quickly over the basics. The mower comes with a 42-inch deck, which should be perfect for my yard size. My property is about an acre, and about half of that is mowable grass. It's powered by a 22 horsepower Kohler engine, giving me plenty of power to handle the tough grass on my property. The Kohler engine is the main reason why I went with the 46-inch versus the 42-inch. The 42-inch version has a single-cylinder engine that doesn't have as good of a reputation as the 22 horsepower version, which is a V-twin. And of course, the tractor uses a hydrostatic transmission, just like my old one, which means it has smooth controls and no shifting of gears, which is a big plus. Here, I'm wearing a mask to help with my allergies while cutting grass. They've been acting up pretty bad this year. Starting up is simple, just turning the key just like the old one. The engine fires right up. The first thing I noticed was how smooth the engine is compared to my other mower. It has less vibration for sure, although the sound, it's about a bit louder for sure. Right off the bat, I'm really impressed with how responsive the controls are, but I'll definitely need to get used to these controls. My old mower uses a lever to go forward and backwards, while this one uses pedals. You'll see several times me trying to reach for the lever when trying to back up. Old habit, but I'll get used to it. A big highlight for me is the 46-inch deck. Like I mentioned before, my old mower has a 42-inch deck, and this one is definitely bigger and it's going to help me mow much quicker, I think. As you can see, the grass is cut evenly and it's leaving a clean, professional kind of looking finish compared to my old one anyways. Plus, the side discharge chute is doing a great job of throwing the clippings away from the deck. Even when making tight turns, the Cub Cadet handles it really well. The turning radius is tight. Seems better than my old tractor, even though this is a bigger one. I don't have to worry about doing awkward back and forth maneuvers like I would if I went to a larger mower. So this is going to be a huge time saver for me. After mowing a good portion of the yard, I have to say I'm pretty impressed by the overall performance. The grass is still kind of wet, but the engine had no problems with it. The ride is smooth and comfortable, even on uneven parts of the lawn. The seat is cushioned and designed for long periods of use, which is a must-have when you're spending hours in the mower. All right, we're all done. And as you can see, the Cub Cadet XT1 left my yard looking nice. Just have to pull out the string trimmer to hit the edges. If I had to sum up my first impressions, I'd say it's powerful, comfortable, and easy to operate. I'm really looking forward to using this mower more this season compared to my old mower, which is having a lot of issues. So that's it for the video. If you're in the market for an American-made, powerful, efficient riding mower that doesn't break the bank, I'd definitely recommend this one. It's the Cub Cadet XT1 Enduro LT46. I bought this one at Home Depot and I paid $2,395. That includes taxes and military discount, which is 10%. I'll be sure to update you as I continue to use it throughout the season and let you know if it's a piece of crap or if it's good to go. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future updates and reviews. Thank you for watching.